We're back with another drop. Cruise seating showcase rounds. We got sound of Sony. Let's get straight to it. Let's go.
Are you ready for sound of Sony? I say the sun, you say the knee and the H in sun.
Love it.
Thank you.
You're cooking right now, building up.
No.
Oh. Interesting, right? The drop, right? I do love the bass on there, but then they have a very awkward sound that's like it's more hazel, you know what I'm saying, for the counter melody. So this interesting, right? I like the different plots with it. They could have went with a lower tone, less nasal for the counter melody, but instead they did something different. And I've been picking up that a lot of these dudes they changing things up, and that's good. It's refreshing, you know. We like to see different varieties of other sounds and just get outside the box, especially when you don't want the judges to expect the same thing. You want them to expect something unexpectedly and get hit with it, and they did that.
Spoke too soon! Oh! What?
What is this?
Yo.
Round of applause.
Okay, next seats. Are you ready, GBP?
I love the drops.
Let's go.
They kicking it off. Sound like a video game.
Okay, what's up, Tokyo? Are you ready? Everybody, drop, okay. 領域展開 Great, okay. Okay, are you ready?
I'm ready. Let's go.
Switch.
Let's go.
Hey. Ladies and gentlemen, we are Sound of Sony Omega. Are you ready for the GBB? Let's go. 3, 2, 1, come on. Are you ready?
Okay. What the? I was not expecting this, man. I wasn't expecting that change up like that. Like you thought you got them, and then they just changed something different. It just sounds completely different what you thought they was going. Like I love the drops, the heavy drops of the bass, crazy. Again, using the Hazel high pitched sounds, which I don't normally see that a lot when it comes to certain like drops. Very creative, outside the box. They're doing different sounds that they're just doing them, and it matches with the what they're going for. So really cool. They got 30 seconds.
See you in final.
Amazing.
That's
A time. Amazing, bro. Oh, I'm excited to see what sound Sony do. For them to be only 3 of them and to do what they did at that type of level is amazing, right? You know, they really kill it. Again, I love the just where it's not predictable. The drops wasn't predictable as far as with the counter melodies, which was really cool to see. I love their bass. They hit very hard, you know what I'm saying? They were very creative, very active, different stages. You know, they covered the stage, they gave the audience energy. I think it was a great performance, man. And I'm excited to see what they do. If you guys enjoy it, man, give it a thumbs up. Once again, that helps the channel out as much as you think it does. Even getting the videos out to people, even so you can see it later on. You know, to see my videos be recommended to you again, it lets the algorithm know. So hit that like button. It helps out. Also, hit that subscribe button if you're new to the channel. We're close to hitting 1,000 subscribers. That means it's 1,000 of you who's supporting the beatbox community. Once again, with someone who's been making beatbox videos for the past 2 years, and then bringing it over to a channel that I can mainly say that we're only doing beatboxing on. I'm proud to say that we have built to what we have gotten to, and I'm excited from the future. Anyways, see y'all on the next one. Peace. We got more videos today dropping. Ha ha. Yeah.